know that billions of dollars in scholarships go unclaimed each year? Yet so many students fear international education because of financial concerns. So why not take advantage of these opportunities, and let's help you grab one. Welcome back to StudyHQ, and today we are going to talk about scholarships for international students. How they work, why you need them, the different types, the most amazing ones, and how to apply for them. So grab your pen and paper because you don't want to miss out on these amazing opportunities. Now, why do students need scholarships? Well, let's face it, we all know this side of studying abroad. Tuition, accommodation and hundreds of other expenses can add up, and scholarship is the way to live this dream affordably. They are designed to help cover tuition fees, living expenses and other educational costs. And the best part? Unlike loans, most scholarships don't need to be repaid. Okay, so you have decided you want a scholarship, but which one? There are a bunch of different types out there, like merit-based scholarships, need-based scholarships, country-specific scholarships, university-specific scholarships, and sports or talent-based scholarships. So what are some of the big scholarships out there that you should know about? Let's take a look at some super popular ones. Chevening scholarships. The Chevening scholarship is a big one for studying in the UK. It covers everything from tuition to living expenses. Fulbright program. This one is huge if you are thinking of studying in the US. It's a government-funded scholarship that allows international students to study in the US for free. DAAD scholarships. Interested in Germany? DAAD offers a range of scholarships for international students. If you want to study in Europe, this could be the one. Erasmus Mundus. If you are looking to study in Europe, check out Erasmus Mundus. It's a scholarship for international students that covers a multi-country study program. Commonwealth scholarships. For students from Commonwealth countries, the UK offers these amazing scholarships that cover everything from tuition to travel expenses. Now, how do you apply for these scholarships? Here's the thing, the process might look a bit different for each scholarship, but there are some key steps that are pretty much universal. Research. First, you've got to know what's out there. Start looking for scholarships that fits your profile, your country, your academics and your achievements. Scholarship portals and university websites are a great place to start. Prepare your documents. You'll usually need academic transcripts, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, and proof of language proficiency tests. Some scholarship may even ask you for portfolio or samples of your work. Apply. Most scholarships are submitted online, so make sure you fill out everything carefully and double check the deadlines. Interviews. Some scholarships might even have an interview process. If that's the case, be ready to talk about why you deserve this scholarship and what are your plans to do with this opportunity. Alright, so now you know the basics of scholarships for international students. And if you have been looking for a scholarship but don't seem to find one, don't worry, we are here to help. DM us if you want proper guidance in finding the best scholarships that suits your profile, whether it's academic, financial or talent-based. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have got any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more such tips.